Food production. Humans began farming about 12,000 years ago. The ability to control their food supply freed people from a nomadic lifestyle. India is an agricultural country. 70% of the total population lives in 5,70,000 villages. Farmers' income depends mainly upon agriculture. Agriculture is the basic resource of Indian economy. 3 decades back, India used to export cereals, oils and pulses from different countries. Today, with the success of Green Revolution, we have become self-sufficient in our food requirements. Agriculture. The word agriculture is derived from the Latin word ager, meaning field, and cultura, meaning to cultivate. Thus, agriculture is the science of managing growth of plants for human use. Broadly, it includes cultivation of the crops, management of soil, growing and harvesting the crops, and breeding of domestic animals. Through agriculture, we get food, clothing, fodder, and shelter. Cultivation of plants for food is called farming. The land on which farmers cultivate the crops is called a field. They use different agricultural implements, machines, and latest varieties of seeds to increase the yield. Crops. The group of plants grown by farmers for food or other use, especially on a large scale in fields, are called crops. Crops are of 3 types. 1. Cash crops. Crops that are cultivated for immediate sale and prompt gain are called cash crops. For example, sugarcane, cotton, potato, tobacco, etc. 2. Horticulture crops. Vegetables, fruits, flowers for decoration and ornamental non-flowering plants grown on a large scale are called horticulture crops. 3. Food crops. These crops are consumed on large scale. The common examples of food crops are cereals, oils, etc. The different types of crops are given in table. Different crops. Name of the crop. Examples. Cereal crop. Wheat, maize, rice, barley, ragi, etc. Pulse crop. Gram, pea, beans, pigeon pea, soya beans, etc. Vegetable crop. Tomato, brinjal, ladyfinger, spinach, cauliflower, etc. Oilseeds crop. Mustard, linseed, sunflower, groundnut, etc. Fiber crop. Cotton, flax, coconut, jute, etc. Sugar crop. Sugarcane, beetroot, etc. Root crop. Sweet potato, radish, etc. Tuber crop. Potato, ginger, etc. Food crop. Mango, orange, guava, banana, lemon, etc. Cereals, that is wheat and rice, form the staple food. That is, they are the main part of our food. The vegetables, fruits and flowers are included in horticultural crops. Orchards are the fruit trees growing in a particular area for commercial purposes. For example, mango, apple, banana, etc. Crops on the basis of duration of maturity. Annuals. Plants which complete their life cycle in one season or in 1 year from germination to flowering and fruiting are called annuals. For example, wheat, rice, maize, etc. Biennials. Some plants complete their life cycle in 2 seasons or 2 years are called biennials. For example, radish, beetroot, carrot, sugarcane, etc. Perennials. The plants which complete their life cycle in more than 2 years are called perennials. Perennials may be herbs, shrubs or trees. For example, ginger, banana, mango, etc. Crops on the basis of seasons. On the basis of seasons, the crops may be of 2 types. Rabi. Rabi season crops are sown in October and November and harvested in March and April. These are also called winter crops. For example, wheat, barley, pea, etc. Kharif. These crops are sown in June and July and harvested in September and October. These are also called summer crops. For example, rice, maize, cotton, etc.